CBSE Mathematics Class 11th Chapter 3 Trigonometry Exercise 3.1 Question number 1. Find the radian measure corresponding to the following degree measure. अब यहाँ पर जो फार्मूला यूज करेंगे हम π/180 इंटू डिग्री मेजर, जो डिग्री दिया होगा, जो एंगल का मेजरमेंट डिग्री में दिया है उसको हम रेडियन में कैसे बदली करेंगे. देखिए, फर्स्ट एंगल जो दिया हुआ है 25 डिग्री, इसको हमने चेंज किया है π/180 इंटू 25, सॉल्व किया 5/36 पाई. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है -47 डिग्री 30 मिनट, दैट इज -47.5, that will be equal to -95/2 degree. Now this can be solved like this: π/180 into -95/2, and further if you solve it, it will be equal to -19/72 pi. Next is 240 degree, π/180 into 240, that will be equal to 4/3 pi. Next question is 520 degree. So again you just apply π/180 into 520. Further you solve it, you will get 26/9 pi. And these are the answer of question number 1. Now come to the question number 2. Find the degree measure corresponding to the following radian measure. Use pi is equal to 22/7. Here the formula used is 180/22/7 into angle in radian. If further solve it, it will be equal to 630/11 into angle in radian. You see here the angle in radian 11/16. So the angle in degree will be 630/11 into 11 into 16. You see, 630/11. Angle in radian. Angle in radian is given, that is 11/16. So 11 and 11 will be cancelled. You will get here 630 divided by 16. And if you further solve it, you will get 39 and 3/8. 39 degree will be as a whole number, and 3/8 will be further changed into minute by multiplying 60. It will be equal to 39 degree 45/2 minute. If you further solve it, you will get 39 degree 22 minute 30 second. Now the next is -4. So 630/11 into -4, it will be equal to -2520 divided by 11, and it will be further equal to -229 into 1/11 into 60, and it will be equal to -229 and 5 minute 27 second. Now the next is 5/3. So 180/pi into 5/3. Pi and pi will be cancelled. 3 you can divide 180/3. It will be equal to 60 pi, and if you just multiply it with 5, so 60 into 5, that will be equal to 300. And this pi and pi will be cancelled. So 300 degree will be your answer. Now the next is 7π/6. So 180/pi into 7π/6, that will be equal to 210 degree. And these are the answer of the question number 2. Now come to the question number 3. A wheel makes 360 revolution in 1 minute. Through how many radian does it turn in 1 second? So number of revolution in 1 second will be equal to 360 divided by 60, it will be equal to 6 revolution in 1 second. The radian in 6 revolution will be equal to 2 pi into 6, that will be 12 pi. मीन्स एक राउंड में 2 पाई रेडियन बनता है, तो 6 राउंड में 12 पाई रेडियन हो जाएगा. नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Find the degree measure of angle subtended at the center of a circle of radius 100 centimeter by an arc of length 22 centimeter. Use pi is equal to 22 by 7. Here the angle in radian is equal to arc upon radius. अब देखिए यहाँ पर जो रेडियस दिया हुआ है 100 सेंटीमीटर, लेंथ ऑफ द आर्क इज 22. So 22 divided by 100. So angle in degree will be equal to 180 by 22, and 7 will go up into 22 by 100. Further solve it, we will get 63 by 5. It will be equal to 12 and 3 by 5 degree. And further change it into minute. Just multiply with the fractional part by 60. You will get 12 degree 36 minute. Now come to the question number 5. In a circle, the diameter 40 centimeter, the length of a chord is 20 centimeter. Find the length of minor arc of the chord. अब यहाँ पर देखिए एक सर्कल मैंने ड्रा किया है जिसका सेंटर O है, और यहाँ पर जो ए बी कार्ड जो है जिसका लेंथ है 20 सेंटीमीटर. Radius will be also 20 centimeter. Now join OA and OB. So the angle formed at the center AOB, that will be equal to 60 degree. Why it will be 60 degree? Because all the three sides of this triangle is equal to 20 centimeter. So the OA is equal to OB, that is equal to AB, and it is equal to 20 centimeter. Therefore, the angle AOB is equal to 60 degree, and that 60 degree will be converted into radian, that is pi by 180 into 60, it will be equal to pi by 3. The length of arc AB is equal to the radius into angle. So 20 into pi by 3, and it will be equal to 20 pi by 3. And this is the answer of question number 5. Now come to the question number 6. If in two circles the arc of the same length subtend angle 60 degree and 75 degree at the center, find the ratio of their radii. अब देखिए जहाँ पर 60 डिग्री है, मैं यहाँ पर R1 ले लिया है और यहाँ पर R2 रेडियस लिया है. एंगल देखिए 60 डिग्री दिया हुआ है, दैट विल बी इक्वल टू पाई बाई 3 रेडियन. 75 डिग्री को कन्वर्ट किया तो 5 पाई बाई 12 रेडियन. सो पाई बाई 3 इज इक्वल टू L बाई R1. हियर द लेंथ ऑफ द आर्क इन बोथ द सर्किल्स आर सेम. So the pi by 3 is equal to L by R1. Here 5 pi by 12 is equal to L by R2. So R1 will be equal to 3 into L by pi. R2 will be equal to 12 L by 5 pi. So R1 by R2 will be equal to 3 L by pi whole divided by 12 L by 5 pi. Further solve it, you will get 5 pi into 3L whole divided by 12L into pi. Pi and pi will be cancelled, L will be cancelled, this 12 will be cancelled by 3. So we will get 5 by 4, that is equal to 5:4 ratio. Now come to the next question. That is the last question of this exercise. Question number 7. Find the angle in radian through which a pendulum swings if its length is 75 centimeter and the tip describes an arc of length 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 21 centimeter. You see, I have drawn the figure here. So this is the length of the pendulum, and it will act as a radius of the circle, and the length of the arc is given already. So in the first case, the angle in radian will be equal to 10 divided by 75, that is 2 by 15. This is the answer of the first part. Second part, the angle in radian, that is 15 divided by 75, it will be equal to 1 by 5. Answer. Third is the angle in radian will be equal to 21 divided by 75, it will be equal to 7 by 25. And these are the answer of the question number 7.